Alright, let's talk about this DC and power jack cable replacement for HP Pavilion laptops. Specifically, we're looking at a solution designed for several 14-inch models, including the 14M, DW1013DX, 14M, DW1023DX, 14M, DW1033DX, 14, DW0097R, 14M, DW0013DX, and 14M, DW0023DX. If you're dealing with a Pavilion from this series that just won't charge, or the power jack feels loose, this could be your answer. The part numbers you want to keep an eye out for are 799735, F51, 799735, S51, 799735, T51, 799735, Y51, 855995-001, and 807522-001. This particular cable is the 8 cm version, so make sure that matches what you're replacing. Compatibility is key here. Double check those numbers before you click Add to Cart. The seller emphasizes that this replacement is straightforward, making it accessible for DIY repairs. However, a crucial reminder: always disconnect the power and remove the battery before you start tinkering. Safety first. Replacing a DC jack involves a bit of disassembly, so if you're not comfortable with that, consider seeking professional help. This is a 100% brand new, high-quality replacement. The seller also states that these products are tested before shipping, which is always reassuring. It minimizes the chances of receiving a faulty part. Before purchasing, the seller strongly advises verifying that the model and part number are completely consistent with your original component. This cannot be stressed enough. Even slight variations can render the replacement incompatible, leading to frustration and wasted time. Overall, if you're confident in your repair skills and your HP Pavilion 14M DW series laptop is suffering from a faulty DC jack, this replacement cable appears to be a viable solution. Just remember to double-check compatibility and prioritize safety during the installation process. A new lease on life for your HP Pavilion might just be a simple cable swap away.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.